After you have learned solving the cross, you should learn how to solve the corners of the white color or the first layer. After you have followed the last video and learned the cross, you will notice that you have solved the complete first layer of the cube. Again, do not forget to keep a pen and a notebook with you. So, let's get started. Now, what we are going to do first is put the white cross in the bottom like this. So there are four corner pieces which you have to solve and correctly orient, and then the white color will be solved. So let us first look at the four corner pieces which you have to solve. So one is here, one is here, this one is here, and the last one is here. It's important that the corner pieces go to the right position and is correctly oriented. So for example, here the white, green and red corner piece. So it is supposed to be placed between the white, green and red cross pieces. So what we are going to do is to solve one corner piece at a time, and we do it by seeing it on the top layer like this corner is here. The next step is to move the top layer to solve the corners. To solve the corners, there are also some different cases. In total, there are three types of cases. The first case is when the white sticker is facing towards you. The second case is when the white sticker is facing towards your right. And the third case is when the white sticker is facing upwards. Here, the white sticker is facing towards you. So, what we'll do is perform a simple algorithm, which is U, R, U prime, R prime. And that, as you see, puts the corner piece in its right position and orient it too. Now, the next type of case is when the white sticker is facing towards your right side. We'll solve this case also by performing a simple algorithm, which is R, U and R prime. And now, as you can see, it helps you to put the corner piece in its right position. The last type of case is when the white sticker is facing upwards. This is the hardest cases of all. This has a little long algorithm, but again, it's very easy. The algorithm is R, U2, R prime, U prime, R, U, R prime. It's a little long algorithm, but it's very easy. And now, if you practice all the algorithms for a bunch of time, you'll surely be able to solve the corners as well as the top layer very easily. So this is all for part 3. Whatever we learned today is the second step to solve the cube. In the next video, we are going to start with the solving of the middle layer edge pieces. Till then, stay safe and goodbye.